So 2 brush over lines after 16 counts. Oh, I'm supposed to turn it up. All right. 16 count weight, brush over lines left and right. Here we go. 1 and 2, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 2 brush over 5. Charleston Bryson. 2 lines. Put half left. Long Charleston. Put half right. Long Charleston. Triple flip. Empty double. Triple flip. Empty double. Triple over slur step. And rocking chair to the back. Triple over slur step. Rocking chair to the front. Unclog. Long Charleston. 2 unclog. Long Charleston. Put half left. Long Charleston. Put half right. Long Charleston. 2 brush over line. Two Charleston Bryson. 2 lines. Triple over slur step. Rocking chair to the back. Triple over slur step. Rocking chair to the front. Hop over line left and right. Two unclog. 2 brush over line. Two Charleston Bryson. 1 line. Empty double. 1 line. 1 empty double. 1 dash square to end it. All right. I don't know if you guys like that one or is it kind of. Oh, you do? Wow. Good.
There's one, what was it for me? We go back, and then we go back forward, and some of it triple over way.
Yeah, it's tricky. Because you do the triple, let's do this part. A triple flip, ready, go. Empty double. Triple flip. Empty double. Triple over slur. Rocking chair to the back. Triple over slur step. Rocking chair to the front. Always left. That's what makes it hard, yeah. Always left. Okay. Then are you going to do one?
At top,
Are you going to do one?
yeah, at this level, yeah, you still go with your lead foot, that rocking chair with the left.
Yeah,
foot
let's try
lead.
to.
So you turn left. Now that won't hold true when you get up into EI and beyond. But right now, for ease and for you learning how to do your
Let's
turn,
try that part.
you turn with your lead foot.
Is there a triple over slur turn? Is that what we're
It's a
doing?
triple over slur step right to the front, or, I cheat a little bit, because I know I'm going to go rocking chair half left, triple over slur step, rocking chair half left to the front. You want to do it again? Or Beth can go.
We gotta go over the rocking chair turn.
Okay, so let's do a triple over slur step. And 1, and then stop. Now we have our what foot ready? Left foot for a half left rocking chair. Ready to go. Triple over slur step and then
think you're doing great.
Okay, 16 count weight. See how far I get. 16 count weight, brush over two brush over lines.